Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and we are opening a So What box. As always, it's a surprise. Like I said before, it's just gathered up over the last year or so, and we'll just see what month, what year, and what the project is. When you subscribe, please be sure to use my link. I'll get a little thank you from her. But you will get, your first box will get double the projects. That's kind of neat. And they do different things every month. What have we got? Oh, So Hoppy. We have little rabbits. I think. Yeah, little rabbits. And we've got, it tells you what's all included. You have the Ready to Sew kit, extra fabric bundle. Don't forget to join the Facebook community. You can ask questions, show off your projects. Which be sure to find us on Facebook under Sewing and Crocheting for Beginners and send us pictures. Let me know what you think of the box. And we have extra patterns, tutorials, and there's a little bunnies. I like bunnies. Y'all have to watch some of our bunny videos on the Crazy D Ranch. They are hilarious. And they make noises. They make noises. They have expressions. They have personalities. It's just, they're amazing. And as always, she has this wonderful ribbon around her extra fabric bundle where you can cut, and then you have little handmade tags. Handmade home sewing, different things for you to use. And I like that too, that nothing's wasted, everything's got a use. Our project from this box is a belt loop bag. I like that. And it includes button, the thread, you've got a little clasp, your pins, and a universal needle for your machine. Don't forget to be changing out your needle. You will need a sewing machine, scissors, iron, and a ruler. And it says creation time will be 45 minutes. So it'll be a wonderful way to spend an evening or an afternoon. I actually think I may have this fabric. Got little pink flowers and the bunnies. And our extra pattern here is a different belt loop bag. So we've got a couple of different ones. Style 1, which is an easy, style 2 is medium, and style 3 is hard. So you can challenge yourself a little bit with 3 different levels. And I like that too. Always challenge yourself. A lot of times she'll send things that I'm looking at the pattern, I'm going, well, I never really thought about making that. And, I've never, I don't do a whole lot with the zippers or the plastic or the vinyl or different things. And it's a challenge. It takes you out of your comfort zone, and you get to learn something new, learn a new technique. You learn a new style, a new fabric, like I said, using the vinyl. So I do like that. You get to be challenged a little bit. And believe it or not, I see this would have been really handy when we were doing the estate sale. And that way, instead of having to, I could have, or yard sales. That way you've got that on your belt loop, and you've got your money and your change. Maybe if you're going traveling on vacation, instead of having to carry your purse around. Or guys, instead of having to have a big thick wallet, just attach that to your belt loop, and I would use a front belt loop so you can keep an eye on it. But you can have all your necessary things in that without having to worry about your purse. Alright, so we've got a link down below. Be sure to click it, check it out, see what some of the past projects have been. See what take a sneak peek what's coming up. That's always fun. Know that you're supporting a small independent business that curates here in the U.S. with a lot of the, in fact the card even says, pins and needles packaged in the U.S., projects are designed in the U.S., fabrics are made in the U.S., cards, patterns, envelopes, and boxes designed and printed in the U.S. So you're definitely supporting U.S. Businesses. It's amazing how many different businesses you're supporting when you buy from her, because she's got to someone has to create these, and then they have to send them off and get them printed. So you're supporting a number of different businesses. That's very attractive to me. Be sure to like and subscribe. Click that bell so you're notified when we put up a new video. Most importantly, don't forget to come back. The plan is that I'm going to be working through these, and I'll be showing off some of the projects. Like I said, join our Facebook group. Let me see your pictures. We love pictures. I want to hear what you're working on. But like I said, don't forget to come back. We're so glad you joined us today, and I'll see you next time right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks for watching.